people. Here goes the first example. Look at the example. Let us discuss about pay of matrix, and this is what exactly matrix. Maybe I have shared with you people. Again, I am going to show you, and there is a question also given along with that. Look at it. I have given it for the Coca-Cola versus Pepsi. Can you see that? Solve the following game between Pepsi and Coca-Cola, and the payoff matrix is given as there are two strategies are being given by Coca-Cola and two strategies are given by the Pepsi also. Can you see that? This is what exactly I'm talking about, the payoff matrix. The question can be asked, solve the following game between Pepsi and Coca-Cola. Now, how to solve this? Before solving this, there are set of questions are there. Just look at here. There are set of questions are there. Very first question is, I should solve it finding the row minimum. I should calculate the column maximum. Then find the maximum of all the rows minimums. Then you're going to find minimum of all the maximums so that we can calculate the saddle point. Then we are going to say, talk about the strategy, the value of the game, and is the game fair and is the game determined. These are the 9 questions we are going to answer. If at all you can answer all the 9 games, then that is the solution of this particular question. I repeat, we have a 9 questions over here. You're going to answer all the questions so that we can say yes, we are done with this particular question. It is a very small example, 2 by 2. That means 2 strategies each by Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Now, what do you mean by these? I have other day in the video also told what is the meaning of this 2. 2 is whenever we are going to speak about, I'm going to speak on behalf of Pepsi because it will going to be from the row. Okay, for me, for understanding, Coca-Cola is my competitor. What is the meaning of that is Pepsi, if it adopts first strategy, Pepsi, if it adopts first strategy, then if Coca-Cola adopts its first strategy, Pepsi will be gaining 2. Okay, it can be 2 units, it can be 2 lakhs, it can be 2%, it can be anything. Okay, same thing if a Pepsi adopts its first strategy and Coca-Cola adopts its second strategy, then Pepsi is in the gain of 3 units. Likewise, if a Pepsi adopts a second strategy, I'll color it. Okay, Pepsi adopts its second strategy and Coca-Cola adopts again its first strategy, then we are going to gain 8 points, 8 units. Whereas if it is adopting second strategy and Coca-Cola adopts second strategy, then I'm going to gain, or Pepsi is going to gain 4 units. This is what the meaning of this payoff matrix is all about. Now, how will you solve this particular game? How will you solve this particular game is all about? Okay, it's starts with very first one, very first step you can say. Okay, it will going to start from finding row minimum. Okay, so I'm going to put a heading over here, row minimum. So start with 2 and 3, minimum is a 2. 2 and 3, minimum is a 2. 8 and 4, minimum is 4. I think these are the very simple steps are there because we have only 2 strategies each. Okay, so I'm able to answer the very first question, row minimum. I have calculated it, row minimum as a 2 and 4. Now comes the next step, that is column maximum. Column maximum. So how will you do this? Column maximum, I'm going to find between 2 and 8, which is highest. So 8 is highest. This is very simple example. So you are able to follow it. Very simple. Okay, between 3 and 4, I'm going to find 4 is the highest. So we are able to do that. Row minimums and column maximums. This is what the very first steps of the game theory is all about. Now, I need to go for third step, that is max min. I'm going to calculate max min over here. What is the max min? among these minimums, I wanted to find what is the maximum. Among these minimums, what is the maximum? 2 and 4, it's very simple. 4 is the maximum. 4 is the maximum. Whereas among 8 and 4, which is minimum? Among 8 and 4, which is minimum? I'm going to calculate and I'll say between 8 and 4, it is the 4 is the minimum. So we are able to calculate two things now again here. This is maxi min and this is mini max. We are able to calculate mini max and maxi min. So we are able to do that. Mini max and maxi min. Is it clear? So what we have done, I'll repeat it again. We have to find out first thing is row minimum. First you have to calculate row minimum. Then you're going to calculate column maximum. We are able to do that 8 and 4. Then find out maximum of minimum. These are the two minimums are there. Out of that, whichever is maximum, I have taken it over here. Out of these two, I have taken the minimum. Out of the maximum, I have taken these things. This is what exactly the numerical calculations you are going to do in the given payoff matrix. Okay, once you are done, that means what? I have done 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 are done with our first example. Now comes saddle point. What do you mean by saddle point? Saddle point is one which will going to tell us where the max min and mini max will going to coincide. In this case, it is a 4 and a 4. So this is where exactly the saddle point is all about. So I can say it as saddle point is, one second, just add Krupa. Okay, the saddle point is equals to max min is equals to min max. So that is going to be 4. So saddle point is 4 is equals to 4. Then what is the value of the game? How will you find the value of the game? The value of the game in this case is itself is the saddle point where we are going to have mini max is equals to max min. So this is going to give us the value of the game as a 4. Now comes, what is the 8th question? Is the game is fair? Is the game is fair? How will you say game is a fair? Okay, make a note that game is called as a fair. Okay, game is called as a fair only if the min max and the max min should be equals to 0. I repeat, min max is equals to maxi min should be equals to 0. Then only we are going to call it as a fair game. In our case, this is not fair game. Not fair game. The last one is the game is determinable. Yes, it is. It is determinable over here. I am able to determine the strategy. So Pepsi and Coca-Cola are going to adopt strategy number 2 because that is a saddle point. Okay, so we are going to adopt the things. That means Pepsi is going to adopt second strategy and Coca-Cola also is going to adopt second strategy. So strategy will going to be of the Pepsi. Strategy of Pepsi is 2 and even Coca-Cola is 2. So we have answered all the questions. Only thing that I need to repeat all of them. We started with a row minimum. We calculated column maximum. We have to find out mini max. We have to find out max min. Okay, coincide of that minimax and maximin can be a saddle point. Now the question will be, can I have only one single saddle point or can I have multiple saddle points? Possibly there can be multiple saddle points in the coming example. We'll see how exactly that can be. Now next question comes is, what is the strategy? We saw that wherever the saddle point is there, it will going to tell us that's a strategy. Strategy number 2 for Pepsi, strategy number 2 for the Coca-Cola has been adopted. It need not to be same strategy every time. Okay, so value of the game we are calculated, that is also 4. We said, is the game is determinable? Yes, it is. It is, game is determinable. If the saddle point is not found, then we are not able to tell the determinable or not. Game need to be told as a fair if minimax and max mini should be 0. That means saddle point is 0, then we are going to call it as, that is, the game is fair. In this case, the game is not fair. Okay, I'll take another example, then it will be more clear to you people. I'll take the next example. Please look at this particular payoff matrix.
Sir?
Yeah, please.
So I have a question in previous question.
Previous question. Yeah, please tell me.
So saddle point and the value of the game will be same.
Need not to be same. Need not to be same. Need not to be same. It's a good question. It need not to be same. I'm going to come to set of examples where value of the game need not to be same as saddle point.
Okay.
Okay. So in this example, it is saddle point itself is value of the game.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any other question? Shall we move to next example?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that was a entry level example. I have taken it. Now look at this particular example. How many strategies are there? Somebody? How many strategies are there in this payoff matrix?
Firm A has 3, sir.
Firm A has 3.
Firm A has
A1,
3,
A2,
sir.
A3. Yes, and
Firm B. Firm B 4, sir.
4.
4. Okay. Now look at the, there are some negatives are there. There are some positive numbers are there. There is some 0 is also there. Set of students asked me, can you give me 1 or 2 payoff matrix more? Look at here. This is another payoff matrix where if I'm going to speak on behalf of firm A. -5 means what? If firm A adopts strategy A1 and if firm B adopts strategy B1, then I'm going to lose 5 units or 5 lakhs or 5%. Okay, if we are going to adopt, firm is going to adopt the strategy 3, okay, and even the opponent will going to adopt B3, then nobody will going to gain anything. It is neither of the companies will going to win anything. This is what exactly we call it as a null or a 0. Is it clear? Okay, this is what exactly strategies are there. Now shall we start solving it quickly? What is the minimum of this? Yeah,
-5.
-5, sir.
okay. Next one.
4.
4.
-2.
Minus
-5,
5 again. Can we quickly finish it off? Maximin. What is the maximum of minimum?
4.
4. Now column maximum.
Sorry, 5.
5, sir.
5.
5,
5.
4,
4.
10.
10. So what is the
Minimax
minimum
is
of
4.
now? Look at. We are able to answer first 2 questions. What 4 questions? What is the saddle point?
4.
4.
Where it is?
4. 4,
Is
sir.
Is it here?
Yes, sir. Minimax is equals to maximum.
Yeah, minimax is equals to maximin. So 4 is the saddle point, right? So what is the strategy? Somebody can tell me.
A2, sir.
Yeah, strategy of for me.
Sir, but 4 is at 2 places now, sir.
Exactly. I'll come to that. Strategy of
Okay.
firm A is
Firm
A2,
A2, sir.
firm
And
B,
B3.
B3.
B,
B3, sir.
B3.
B3. Now Vikram had a question. We have a 4 here and we have a 4 here. What is everybody's answer? Somebody can guess me something like that. Which one need to be taken? Which one need to be taken? We need to go for the cross section. Okay, we should go for the cross section of it. Okay, so here it is a 4. It is a 4 here. The cross section of that need to be taken as a strategy of the game. Is that okay? So strategy of the game is firm A adopts A2 and firm B adopts B3 so that we can reduce, as discussed in the video, we can reduce the maximum losses and minimum profits. I can increase the minimum profits. In this case, 4 is the one which will going to be said to be the strategy. What is the value of the game? Is it same? Is it cross section happening? Yes, it is. Here also it is crossed. Here also it is crossed. Okay, if it was otherwise, I would have not had it. So value of the game again, in this case also, game B is equals to 4. Okay,
Sir,
whenever
strategy once again, please, sir.
yeah, strategy is I'm going to get maximin and minimax. I get a 4. Okay, now I need to find out where it is crisscrossing. This is 4 here, this is 4 here. Can I get cross section of that is 4 somewhere? That is, the strategy will be taken for the benefit of both the firms. For example, in this case, firm A take the strategy over here, that is A2, and for B it is B3. So strategy of the game will going to be firm B A will going to adopt A2 strategy, firm B will going to adopt B3 strategy. Is that clear? So I need to identify where this 4 is. As you said,
Yes,
it
sir.
is over here, but it doesn't crisscross. The minimax of this is over here. Okay, this is over here and this is over here. So I need to take that and find it out. Is it crossing anywhere? So that is what exactly we want to take it a strategy point of it. Is that fine? Now, is the game is fair? Someone?
no,
Is
sir.
the game is fair?
No.
No.
No, sir.
Because
No, sir.
yeah, because saddle point is not 0. Is it determinable? Yes, it is. It is determinable. Right? Shall we go for another example or shall we switch off this because hardly 2 minutes are left? I'll switch off this and we re-log in once again for the one more example.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just
Yes,
switch it
sir.
off from here and I'll start the next question after this. Is that okay? Yeah, 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, shall we start? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll start with the case. Case number 3. I've taken again a different example. Is it visible? I'll just enlarge it a bit. Okay. Now look at it. It is a 3 by 3 in this case. There are 3 strategies each by both the firms. I believe you can solve this example very simple. Okay. Quickly, somebody can tell me. Previous example, there was a purposely I created a confusion so that which can be the saddle point. Yes, it was being solved properly. Now 4, though it is visible in the different phases, we cannot take it now. Can we solve it quickly? Somebody can help me to find out row minimum.
-2.
-2,
-2, -6, -8.
-6 and -8.
+8.
Lots of loss is there for the firm A, our firm. Okay, in this case, minus
-2,
-2.
-2, 20,
20.
and
-2.
minus.
-2.
Now, maximin, how much it will be? How much will be the maximin?
-2, sir.
-2. And what is the minimax?
-2.
-2, sir.
Yeah, minimax is -2. Okay. Now, situation is very interesting, as Vikram rightly asked in the previous question. Now tell me, what is the saddle point? What is the strategy of this particular game is all about?
A1, sir.
Sir, A1 and B1 is the saddle point, sir.
A1 and B1 is the saddle point.
A1 for firm A and B1 for firm B.
What is saddle point?
A1, B1 and
First is what is saddle point?
A1 and B3 also can come, sir.
sir, A1, B1 and A1, B3, sir.
That is strategy. Please don't get confused with the strategy and saddle point.
Sir,
What is the
two
strategy?
saddle points.
-2, sir.
Minus
What is saddle point? Please.
-2.
Saddle point is,
Yes, -2, sir.
saddle point is at
Minus.
-2.
where? I should take this
A1 and B1.
or this. Both the cases?
A1 and
take
B1.
both?
A1, B1.
Yeah. So I'm taking
sir.
example.
Yes, sir.
This is not a pure strategy. This is a mixed strategy. I'm making a mark over here. This is mixed strategy. Okay. This is mixed strategy where we really don't know whether B will going to adopt B1 strategy or B will going to adopt B3 strategy. Whereas the firm A will definitely go with A1 strategy. Am I clear? So it is a mixed strategy. For firm A, it is fixed A1, but for firm B, it is either B1 or B, as Vishnu said it rightly, either it can be B1 or B3. So saddle point lies at A1, B1, and A1, B3. Please make a note of these all things. Look at it. We are able to find out saddle points. The strategy is a mixed strategy. Either it can be A1, B1 or it can be A1, B3. So there are two strategies are there. Okay. Is the game is fair?
No, sir.
Game is not fair because again 0 is not there. Okay. It is -2. Okay. Value of the game is there. We are able to determine it. It is value of the game is -2. Okay. So game is not fair, but we can determine it. Is it difficult after these all things? Is
No,
game
sir.
theory is difficult?
No, sir.
It's not.
No.
But finding these values is difficult for a manager. Okay, finding these values is very, very difficult. I was able to solve 3 problems with you people. It's very simple. I repeat again. You need to remember these 9 questions to self. Okay, you need to find out row minimum, column maximum, maximum among the minimum, minimum among the maximum. Then you can easily find out wherever the cross section is there. This is going to tell us the strategy and the value of the game. Okay, this is value of the game directly. We are going to learn in the next session probably value of the game by some formula. A small example, a small formula is there. Maybe I'm going to take it next time. Okay, then we are going to question yourself: is the game is fair? Fair game is told if the value of the game is said to be 0. It is okay. The saddle point should come at 0. Then it is called as a game is called as a fair. Otherwise not. Okay. Then if it is saddle point is identified, however it is multiple saddle points, the game is said to be determinable. Okay, so if I can answer these 9 questions, I think we can do with the game theory. Now I'll keep it open for each and everybody. Anybody have a questions, they can ask me. I'll unmute. Sorry, I'll unmute everybody. Anybody have any questions, please ask. I feel it is very simple topic. And the last part of the topic, quickly ask set of questions.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
sir, I didn't understood the determinable of the game.
Determine of the game is very simple. If I'm going to get the saddle point, if I'm going to get a saddle point, okay, so what is saddle point? It's very clear here. Max min is equals to min max. Max min is equals to min max. If I can achieve it, then the game is said to be determinable. As simple as that. In this case, what is that? What is the max min?
-2.
Maximin is equals to -2. Minimax is also is equals to -2. Value of the game is also is equals to -2. If these 3 coincide, then I can say this is game is determinable. As simple as that. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. If 3 are known and if 3 are coinciding, then we call it as game is determinable. If 3 are mismatching, then we are going to tell that is not a determinable game.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other questions, please?
So,
Yeah, please.
so what if only 2 conditions are satisfied? Like
Means?
maximini and minimax.
Then we are going to call game is not determinable. There are n number of strategies will be there. For example, I'll going to get, in that case, we'll first of all will not get a saddle point. As in not get a saddle point. For example, I'll get here say -3. It is not the case. I'll just take it like this. Okay, here it is -3, and I'm going to get a -2 over here. Can I get a saddle point here? No. Okay, in that case, we are going to say this is not determinable. That means strategies of A and B are totally different. This will happen, I'll tell you the situation. You need to understand the application part of it. Very good question. Okay, this is going to happen. Say, everybody knows Colgate, right? Maybe you are user, Pooja. Are you user of Colgate toothpaste? Hello. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are user of Colgate, and there is someone called as a miswak. Okay, which is very small in number, or Dantakanti. I'll take it better. Colgate versus Dantakanti. They are the toothpaste, no doubt in that. But Dantakanti's strategies are not at that huge level. So I'll not going to get the strategies of the Colgate and the Dantakanti can be matchable. In those cases, we cannot determine the game. I cannot. Colgate strategies are world level. Dantakanti is maybe Indian level or state level. Those times I cannot find the value of the game. I cannot. Just impossible. What I mean by that? If I say 1% gain of the market share of the Colgate is quite large, because users of the Colgate are at the pan India. Is that okay? So this is how exactly it is going to be considered. Whenever the strategies are matched, we should have the proper competitor. That's why we say, like in the SIP and all, we say like, is he your competitor? That's a big question. Okay, so I need to have this game theory only with the right competitor, then we are going to have it. Otherwise, we say if the game is not determinable, we say like he is not a right competitor to me. Either I am not capable up to that level, or he is not enough for the competition. This is why the question is asked. 9th question is asked for that. Should I really worry about the strategy against that competitors? Yes, no. The answer is available from the game, which is given in the numerical way. Is that okay?
Sir, how to identify value of the game, sir?
Value of the game is very, very simple. As I said, it should be max min is equals to min max if it is determinable. Otherwise, there is a formula is there, which I'll take it in the next session. Is that okay? There is a small formula is
Okay.
there, which is going to give us the value of the game. Okay, that is a formula will be used for that. Otherwise, it is here, it is min max is equals to max min, will going to give the value of the game. Is that fine?
Okay, sir.
So shall we stop? Yeah, please.
So why we should check whether game is fair or not? Sir?
This comes the answer with respect to ethics, ethical part of the business. Okay, so we normally whenever we talk about business, we are not able to put the proper strategy. Say for example, look at this payoff matrix. Just look at this payoff matrix. Okay, see here, it is -2 in this case. Second one is 15. Suddenly, A1 is adopting strategy 1. It is -2. I'm losing. If I crisscross with his second strategy, I'm going to get a 15. But B3 again, I'm going to lose it. That means either A or B is not ethically right. This is why I should be able to tell whether the strategies between these two firms is fair or not. Okay, so if it is a fair game, what I mean to say is I'll go with the pricing strategy. I'll go with the same kind of a product. I'll not cheat you. I'll not mesmerize the customers unnecessarily. Then I'm in the market. This will going to give me the fair game, fair competition. If it is not, then we can identify. That's why lots of cases will going to happen. You heard it, right? I mean, iPhone set of things are copied by the Samsung and blah 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 cases are identified with the help of game theory. It's all strategy games. Okay, strategic management. When you are going to learn in the next semester, you will really recall. Yes, this is a game theory which made us to understand what is the strategy of A versus B. Okay, there is something cheating strategies, cheap chat strategies. There is something called the blue ocean strategy. There is something called the red ocean strategy. These all will come, and then we identify these numbers. So these are not simply the numbers. These are the numbers which are going to tell a lot of things between the two competitors. Is that okay?
Yes,
That's
sir.
why I should go for 1 or 2 questions. Is the game is fair? Is the game is determinable?
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions, please?
Sir, game is determinable once again, please you explain.
Game is determinable is with these 3 questions. One is I need to find out max min, I need to find out the min max, and I need to find out the value of the game. If 3
Yes, sir.
are matching, then the game is called as determinable. If anyone is
Yes, sir.
mismatching, then it is not determinable. Strategies
Okay.
can be mixed. Mixed strategy is okay, but I should be able to determine these 3 and should match. Then it is game is determinable. Is it fine?
Yes.
Yeah. Any other question before I close?
Sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir,
Sir.
Please.
saddle point should be always same, sir.
Come again.
Saddle point should be always same, sir. Row minimum and column maximum always should be same, sir.
Yeah, this should match. Row minimum and column maximum should match. That will going to give us a saddle point. In this case, it is the 2 saddle points are there. Need not to be single. See, there is something called as one is pure. Okay, and there is a mixed strategies are there, which are going to be told by the saddle points. Saddle points need not to be single point. Okay, so wherever the min max and maxi min will go to cross section, that is saddle point. In this case, there are 2, 1 and 2. Sometimes previous example have found only one saddle point. Sometimes saddle points will be 2. Sometimes saddle points will be multiple. Forget 2. Multiple saddle points will be there.
Sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, after solving this problem, which strategy we need to follow? Sir?
A will going to go for A1. B has two options. Either it will go for B1 or it will go for B3.
Sir, why it is so, sir? If we go for A1 strategy, we will be losing, no, sir.
We are going to lose. What is the definition of the game theory? I'm going to minimize the loss or I'm going to maximize the profit. Getting my point? I'll going to minimize the loss or I'll going to maximize the profit. In this case, A is about to lose. Look at the payoff matrix. Most of the places it is losing. Most of the places it is losing. Okay, look at it. -2, -2, -5, -4, -5, -8, -6. It is almost in the losing condition. Okay, B2 never wanted to go with, sorry, B never wanted to go with the B2 strategy because B2 strategy is dangerous for it. It will go for these two. That is determined. So out of these are following in the A1 strategy. So look at A1 compared to A2 and A3. A2 and A3 it is a big loss. A2 is a flop show. A3 is have some hope. If I miss, then it will go to be -8 or -5. So among the rest, -2 is the best one. Look at the numbers. It will going to tell you. Am I right?
So how can we come to know that firm B will choose which strategy, sir?
That's what we have done. No, this is how the method is. We find the row minimum. We find column maximum. Okay, what is the meaning of row minimum is? I'm going to try to minimize my loss and then the best out of it, maximize the minimum. This will be exactly opposite for the competitor. So whichever is crossing, I'll assume that this is the strategy will going to be adopted. Whatever is cross sectioning, that is what exactly my competitor is going to adopt. That's a logical conclusion of the game theory. This is strategically it is working. Say for example, I wanted to reduce the price so that I can penetrate. Do you feel competitor is going to be quiet? He will going to work out something, right? I'll reduce the price. I'll reduce the price. Forget big companies. Think of two mango selling people side by side. One is not allowing for bargaining. Second one is allowing for bargaining. He'll wait for two customers. Third customer, he will also go for bargain. That is his second strategy. First strategy he thought of, my quality of the mango is too good, I'll not change the price. But now he's losing the customer. He will change his strategy. Getting my point? This is what exactly the gist of this game theory is all about. But we are bringing that numerically because this is possible in the bigger company. This game theory is basically for the huge corporates. Not I have taken the example of the mango sellers. It's not for that. Yeah, any other questions, Vishnu?
No, sir, nothing.
Yeah, any other question, class? Nobody others are speaking. Okay. So I'll come back to the class session again on the coming Wednesday, where do not miss the class where I'm going to check out with the multiple saddle points again, like what I have taken it. And further I'm going to take it how exactly value of the game can be calculated with the help of formula. Okay, with that, maybe we are going to conclude the semester syllabus of the operation research. Okay, where we'll have a set of queries of all the sessions, whichever we started with the transportation, assignment, LPP, and all those things will going to be taken in 1 or 2 sessions, and then we'll close for the one test, which will going to be conducted online. I hope you are ready for the online exam overnight. Okay, it will going to start at say maybe 8 o'clock. Till morning 8 o'clock you can submit it. That's what I thought of. Okay, we'll decide one particular date. Bhagyesh will going to help me as a CR. She'll going to tell me which is the best date for this test. Okay, with this I'll close the meeting for the day. Thank you for coming to the meeting. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
thanks a lot. Yeah,
Thank
thank you
you.
for
Thank you, sir.
coming. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah, be safe. Be
Thank you,
safe.
sir.
Okay, be safe wherever you are. Okay, I would like to see you in the classroom in the next semester, maybe entrepreneurship development. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Okay. Thanks a lot. Okay. Yeah.